Hello everyone, I'm bringing you an unboxing video today. Now I haven't made an unboxing video for a little while now, but I have good reason to here. I was very kindly sent some bits and pieces by my friend Alan Pryor for my birthday, which was a few weeks ago. Quite unexpected. Part of what arrived I sort of asked for and was going to pay for initially, but Alan sent us a gift and includes some other bits and pieces as well. So without further ado, we'll get into the main part of the video now and have a look at exactly what has arrived. So here we have the box of bits and pieces which have arrived. As is usual, I'll move this over to one side and we'll have a look at all these bits and pieces individually. So, first of all, we have some inert 7.62 NATO ammunition, and Alan very kindly produces this. He's produced some inert 303 as well. He shoots and has a couple of different rifles, one of which uses 7.62 NATO. So these are fired cases just with a new head inserted into them, so completely inert. You can see there the primer's been struck. We'll bring that into focus there. You can see, there we go. So these are completely inert, but obviously very useful for reenacting, both in charges, in stripper clips for use in bandoliers, and also I already have some 7.62 NATO, so I think in theory I'll have enough here to make a belt, a 100 round belt. So with the ammunition with the rounds I already have. So get some links, and also it will be useful not only for use in bandoliers, stripper clips for display and so forth, also for use in magazines, but as a belt as well with the ammunition I already have. The cat may possibly make an appearance here. He's just stalking towards me from the right. So it's Apollo. If he does come into shot, you'll see him, black and white cat. So we've got the ammunition there, first of all. Alan has also very kindly sent me a set of buttons. So those who watched a video not that long ago dealing with the second pattern British middle parka, yep, very good, hello Apollo. These are not toys for you. Those who saw that video looking at the second version of the British middle parka will have noticed, I mentioned in the video, that several of the buttons were missing, quite a few of the large buttons were missing, and Alan sent me some originals to fit. That's very kind of you, Alan. Thank you very much indeed for those as well. I should note with the ammunition, the inert ammunition, I'd initially planned to purchase that from Alan, but he sent it to me as a gift for my birthday, so it's very kind indeed and much appreciated. Put those to one side. And finally, a lovely thing here, which I'll bring into shot now, is an item of uniform here. And this is a tailor-made officer's shirt. We have a very nice tailor's label in the collar here. Mohammed Akhtar, Tailors and Army Contractors, HQ Far Elf, Singapore. So HQ Far East Land Forces, Singapore. And appropriately enough, we have the Far East Land Forces badge on the arm there, formation sign. You can see here, as is typical, this has been made with the provision for the wear of shoulder titles and officer's rank on the epaulets here. So presumably a major, single crown with a shoulder title underneath there, using the two sets of small buttonholes. But a lovely thing, it's made of quite a thin cotton material, very thin cotton poplin material, I would say, looking at the weave. I think it's poplin. Beautifully made, and really like these tailor-made items. They vary quite considerably in terms of the materials used. You see them made in drill, in poplin, in cellular material as well, Airtex basically. And this is a particularly lovely example. The colour is wonderful. It doesn't look like it's faded at all. One would assume it's not been used all that much, but this is really very generous of you, Alan. A lovely thing to have and a wonderful addition to that collection of tailor-made hot weather uniforms, jungle green uniforms. So thank you very much once again, Alan. Particularly the shirt was a very nice surprise. It really is a lovely thing, so very pleased with that, and an excellent addition, private purchase, privately tailored officers' uniforms from that period. A lovely thing to have. And obviously the buttons as well, fantastic regards preparing the middle parka. And obviously the rounds I knew were coming, but thank you very much for gifting those as well. They'll be very, very useful going forward. So thank you very much once again, really appreciated. If you've enjoyed watching this and you'd like to see more from the channel, please do consider subscribing if you haven't already. And whether you're newly subscribing or you've previously subscribed, please do make sure you hit the little bell, the notification button down below. That will of course alert you when I upload future videos. If you really like my uploads and you would like to support the channel, you can. Both Patreon and PayPal are linked down below. And as I always say, a huge thank you to everybody who supports the channel using those two methods. It really is greatly appreciated, as I always say. Thank you all very much indeed. If you'd like to follow the channel on social media, you can. Facebook, Instagram and Twitter are all linked down below. And if you'd like to get in touch but you don't really use social media, there is of course an email address down below as well. That's everything for this video, so until next time, bye for now.